Hello everyone, this is Ondrej askin here in Ostrava. Today I have here Piotr. Piotr, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Piotr Grędowski. I am from Poland, from Warsaw, working in Expo Polska company. We are doing some energy stuff. And I am here to enjoy Ostrava. Snow, which right now in Warsaw is not, it's not snowing. So yeah, snow, Python, pizza, Ostrava, and this conversation with you.
Got it. And now my one question, what was the most exciting thing that you have seen here on Python Pizza, or what is something that you're looking for?
People, I had a chance to take part in yesterday's before, and I had occasion to meet wonderful people. Also people who were creating libraries in Python I was using in my first work. Amazing experience, really. Honza Kral, great guy.
And yeah, by coincidence, you are also organizer of Python Pizza Warsaw. So would you like to welcome people or invite them somewhere?
For sure. Actually, Ada presented today a tool to create PDF presentations. I used this tool to create a presentation, asked Moises to be able to present it in the end of the event. Maybe we will have this chance. And I want all of you, as we spoke before, I want you to come to Warsaw on 9th of May. I cannot tell you where exactly because we are working on it. Soon, maybe there will be more details on warsaw.python.pizza. And I encourage all of you to come. It will be the best Warsaw Python Pizza ever.
Good.
So far.
And if you didn't catch the URL links, they will be down there in the description, so you'll get everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.